Hello everyone and welcome to another educational learning experience with Saoirse. Today we're going to be talking about proportional relationships. That's on page 141, lesson 3.7b. I hope I'll be able to help you do what you need to do in math, so let's just get started. Okay, the first thing you want to learn is how to interpret a proportional relationship, okay? So the distance traveled by a high-speed train is proportional to the number of hours traveled. Interpret each plotted point in the graph. Okay, so the first point that they have is 0, 0. And so that basically means that the train travels 0 kilometers in 0 hours, okay? And then the next one they have is 1, 200. So when we have 1, 200, that basically means that in 200 kilometers, in 1 hour, okay? So the point represented is 200 over 1, okay? And then for 800 is 800 kilometers in 4 hours. So we know that's proportional because 200 to 1, okay? Then 800 to 4. So we know that this was multiplied by 4, this was multiplied by 4, so they're proportional. So that's how you interpret the points on a plot for a proportional relationship. Okay, so the cost of apples is proportional to the number of pounds purchased. Interpret each plotted point in the graph. Okay, so that means that we know that it's going to be cost over pounds, okay? So if we have 0, 0, we obviously know that there's $0 for 0 pounds. Okay, then we have 1, 1.5, okay? So we know that 1 pound of apples, so we put that on the bottom, for $1.50, because it's 1.5. So to 1 pound, okay? Then the next thing we have for 6, so that's 4 pounds of apples to $6. And that's proportional because if you look at times 4, they equal each other. Go ahead and try this one on your own, and when you're ready to check, go ahead and unpause the video. Okay, so we have earnings to hours worked. So we know that $0 for 0 hours worked. Okay, and then we have 1.15. So that means that we have, for 1 hour of work, we have $15. So we can put $15 over 1 hour of work, okay? And then the last one we have is 4 to 60. So 4 hours of work, we get $60. And we know it's proportional because 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 15 is 60. So that's how you just interpret proportional relationships in like graphs and things. Okay, so comparing graphs of proportional relationships. It says the state sales tax in Maine and New York are proportional to the price of a purchase as shown in the graph. So the first thing we want to do is express the sales tax rate for each state as a percent. So if we look at Maine, we see 1.5 means that the tax is 5 cents per dollar, okay? Because we have the tax in cents and the price in dollars. So that means that we have 5 cents for $1, and if we put it to where they'd be the same amount, 5 cents to every 100 cents. So 5% tax, okay? And then in New York, we have 20 cents for every $5 because of 520. So that means let's do a different color. 20 cents to every $5. Or, because we want to get it to the same one as the other one, so 4 cents to every $1. So now it can become 4 cents to every 100 cents. So that's 4%. So we know that the tax in Maine is higher than in New York. take a look at this one when you're ready to check, unpause video. Okay, so we see that it's the same sales tax problem, and in New Jersey we have 7 cents for every $1. Okay, so that means we have 7 cents for every $1, and then we can just make it 7 cents for every 100, which means there's a 7% sales tax. And then in Colorado, we have 29 cents for every $10. So if we move 29 cents for every $10, we want to make it to every $1. So we're going to divide 10 by 1. So that means we will get, this is now 1, because we divided it by 10, so we got 1. So now we have to divide 29 by 10, and we'll get 2.9 for every $1. So 2.9 cents for every 100 cents. So now we know 2.9%. Okay, so we can see that New Jersey has a higher sales tax than in Colorado. Alright, awesome job, guys. I hope I was able to help you do what you need to do in math. This has been another educational learning experience with Saoirse. Hope you guys have a great day.